Let's take a quick look. So here it comes with an instructions, and here we go. Oh man, they give you a ton of stuff. Look at that, it's just falling out. Let me get everything out of that box. There we go. So let's take a quick look at the accessories we get. So you get a USB adapter, and then you get this. It is micro, which is a little bit disappointing, but okay. I actually have no idea what this, oh, it's like a cleaning brush, I'm guessing. Okay, get a cleaning brush. I got 2 of these. I probably was supposed to get one. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's like a cleaning cloth. Okay, so they give you lots of cleaning stuff, so that must mean it might smudge easily. So here's the product itself. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is really exciting. Oh my gosh, look at that. So you do get this pretty nice bag. I mean, it feels kind of like a corn sack or like, you know, a potato sack. That's what it feels like, but that's okay. Here is the mask. That is crazy cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you got this battery on here. And as you can see, it is on off. Let's try turning it on. We got this red light. Oh, it's lighting up. Look at that. Look at that. That is crazy cool. So I'm not exactly sure how you can control this, but we're gonna figure that out. I'm guessing connecting it to the app really helps. It looks quite comfortable. I might have just gotten a fingerprint on it. But look at that. So it's just doing all the interactions right now. It's crazy cool. It's got this very nice soft material around the edge. Feels very high quality. And then look, it's even got a place so you can breathe through, which is nice. But let's turn on the app real quick. So right here we got the app. I'm gonna find a mask. Okay, it found it. So let's try something. Oh, look at that. That's crazy cool. So I can control exactly what I want it to do. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh man, that angry face. Okay, here's what is demo mode. Oh. Animations, emotions. So I'm not sure what all these things down here are. Let's take a quick look. But let's see, emotions. So you can get all the emotions on there. Let me put it on and we can try it out, I guess. Okay guys, so we got the mask on. It looks kind of like a skier's mask, but you know, it's cooler. But let's turn it on. There we go. Oh, it goes right into the talking mode. That's so cool. Oh my god. So it's when I talk, the mouth is moving with it, which is like the whole thing with this mask and why I chose this mask in particular. But that is so cool. You can see a little reflection in the eyes. I guess it's on this side from my light. But other than that, it seems to be pretty cool.